I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Let's Google It. Today we want to show you how to make a Brussels sprout. Yes, so many of you see a Brussels sprout in the store and doesn't know what to do with it, so today I'm gonna show you. It's a delicious, amazing recipe. So pretty much Brussels sprout, if you have it in your garden, that's how it's gonna look like. And in the store it looks like this on the shelf. Later on I want to show you how it look like after I cook it, and it's gonna taste amazingly delicious. And the last time I promised my brother, which is in return because he did a nice song for the intro, and I promised him I'm gonna put his link in the description box down below, and I completely forgot. So I promised him today, in today's video, I'm gonna have it. So it's gonna be in the description box down below. It's a time will tell. He got a few nice songs. You listen to it, you'll love it. So now let's start with the did I say bean sprout? I was almost going to say bean sprout. Brussels sprout. Let's start with the Brussels sprout first. So here we have to slice this woody end. Just slice it off, and the outer layers, a couple of them if you don't need, you just can peel it, and we're gonna slice it in half. And nutrition wise, you'll be surprised for the Brussels sprout. Beside the fiber, Brussels sprout has more vitamin C than the oranges, so it's a very good healthy side dish to have beside your steak or your chicken. So now I slice them all in half, and make sure you bring water, the water to boil, and we're gonna blanch them for about 2 minutes. A few drops of oil, give it a little mix, and actually I'm going to boil it for 2-3 minutes, not blanch them. Here we go. Brussels sprout, it's pretty much a baby green cabbage, so it doesn't have that amazing flavor unless you maximize the flavor for it, that's what we're gonna do now. So bring your stove to medium high, olive oil. So I'm gonna slice the onion. Just gonna smash the garlic and dice it, small dice. Perfect, ready to go. I love the sizzling sound. And now we're gonna caramelize the onion and the garlic, but halfway we will add the Brussels sprout, and we continue caramelizing the whole thing. Perfect, look at this, start getting caramelized. Now the Brussels sprout, they're ready to go. I'm gonna put them here, and I'm gonna add some crushed pecans, salt, pepper, little bit chili flakes, now let me chop a little bit orange pepper, and orange pepper almost at the end I will add it. Nice, as you can see here the Brussels sprouts start getting caramelized. Now I'm gonna add the pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, sesame seeds, and now we're gonna cook it for 1 more minute and good to go. Oh boy, smell good and look amazing. Beautiful caramelized Brussels sprout. Lovely. The moment of the truth. Oh, smells so good. Wow. Follow this recipe and you'll have the most amazing Brussels sprout ever. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Take care.